are going to be reviewing 5 of my favorite kitchen gadgets to use. Make sure to like and subscribe. Go ahead and click down there, that red subscribe button, and go ahead and like and leave a comment and tell us if you have these same things and tell us how you like them. And if you have any kitchen gadgets that you love using in your kitchen, leave it in the comment section below and I would love to hear about it. So if you cook and bake like me, you know it is very important that we have the proper equipment to get our baking to turn out good and cooking, and this is one I use on almost all cooking projects I do. So I'm going to be starting off with my number 1 favorite tool and one that I use all the time. I also love using this on coffee. I love making a whipped coffee. It's instant coffee, hot water, and sugar, and it is absolutely delicious. I love it. And then you put it over milk and ice, but you have to whip it and make it very frothy. And you can do it with your hand whisk, but it also is very convenient if you use this hand mixer. This is my absolute favorite thing to use. It is a Hamilton Beach professional mixer, and I absolutely love it. It has a long cord, as you can see, and you can hook it up to or plug it into your outlet, and then you can use it. It comes with a few different attachments. It comes with 2 different kinds. It comes with a whisk, which this is the one I use for whipping coffee or making whipped cream, and I just love this one. And then there's also these 2, which I use for things like pudding or custard mix, and I love using these for mashed potatoes as well. Those are very good. So these are just 2 of them that they have. I actually looked on the website and you can buy a few more different attachments, which I think is really cool, and maybe in the future we'll get those, but these come with this one when you get it, and I will leave this in the Amazon link below. All of this will actually be in the link below because I think most of this we did get from Amazon. But there is one thing that we didn't get from Amazon, but all of the others will be linked. The next one I'm going to be using is this one. I love this one. My entire family uses it. We absolutely love it. My mom found this on Amazon. When you are homesteaders like us, we love to can stuff, and when we grow stuff on the farm, we always like to can it because canning is a very good preservation way. And when you go to open them, you have to flip up the mason jar lid. And you can do it with a knife, but it also it's kind of harder to do it that way. So I like doing it like this. And all you do is you slip this under the lid, and then you just pop it up like this, and then it comes right out. And it is absolutely incredible. It saves your hands from trying to pop it out. It's almost impossible to pop the lid off with your hands, so you usually have to use a knife, and this thing's just all around more convenient, and it's very inexpensive on Amazon, and this thing, it never breaks because it's metal. It's very good material, very sturdy, and I will link this down below. So the next one is another thing to help you open things. So it is very hard to just open things like you have tomato sauce or jelly jars, and I can think of a million things, relish jars, just all these things, and you are trying to open them and it just hurts your hands. You try so hard to open them and then it just ends up hurting your hand and you don't even get it open. This thing solves a lot of problems. So we've had this thing for years. It is very sturdy. It is very, very, very helpful. So all you do is, it has different sizes. So it's like a big one, like a big maybe jelly jar or something, and then smaller ones for small bottles of Worcestershire sauce, or like ones with the small tops or openings. And this thing's very helpful. So you just take and you put it over a jar, and then you turn it, and then it just pops right off. Very helpful. We love this thing, and again, it's on Amazon. So this next one is one that I believe you could probably find one similar to on Amazon, but I don't know. You probably can't find this exact one because, I don't know, it's kind of old, I think. But I love this one. It is just a super random thing. I've loved it ever since I was younger. Before I started baking, I would like to start I'd like to stir food with it. I used to call this my macaroni and cheese spoon, and that is because when I was younger, I would be helping my mom in the kitchen, and I would use this spoon. This would be my favorite spoon, and I would always cook macaroni and cheese with it. I would stir it, and I just call it my macaroni and cheese spoon. It's kind of weird. probably cringy name I have for it, but it's a macaroni spoon, and I love it because I don't really know why I liked it so much, but it is a good spoon to have. It's very helpful, and I figured since this is my favorite kitchen gadgets, then I should include the macaroni spoon in there, since I do use this all the time in just cooking, and so it's one of my favorites. I'll try to find one similar on Amazon, and you can find that one. The next one is one that I love. So this is called a bacon grease container. It has a nice lid. It is a nice black and white color. I believe you can get it in like a dark blue and like white letters and dark blue, can. And then it has a strainer, which is really handy. And it has bacon grease. Bring me a spoon, Olivia. So inside of it, you know how we love to put it on top of like cornbread, and one of our viewers actually said you can use bacon grease in cookies, which I thought was really cool, and we're definitely going to try that one day. And so we like to save our bacon grease because, you know, it's good even when like we're out of butter, we can use it for the bacon grease to cook eggs and stuff. So this is the bacon grease, and it's, you know, like not really too full. I don't know if you can see that, but it's about a quarter of the way full, I guess. And when we're done cooking bacon in the morning, we just pour it in there, and we actually, what we do is we have the strainer. We always keep this thing in the fridge. What we do is we pull it out from the fridge, we take the lid off, we pour the bacon grease in there because it has this really cool strainer. You can probably see residue of bacon bits on there because that is bacon bits right here. And we just put it on there and then pour the bacon grease through, and then it leaves the bits out, and all you get is the actual grease. So you don't have to worry about the bacon bits or anything. All you have to worry about is nothing. You do not have to worry about the bacon bits in there if you don't like bacon bits in there. It just does the bacon grease. So very helpful thing to have in your kitchen. So bacon grease container, we got this off Amazon. It is one of my favorite things to use, and we all love using it. It just really makes bacon grease a lot more handy, and it looks very nice in your kitchen, and it keeps things very nice and tidy. So the next one that I use all the time is going to be this one. It is called the Danish dough whisk. I love this whisk. I use it for so many different things in the kitchen. I use it for when I'm doing cake batter. That's one of my favorite things to use it for, is cake batter. I love using it when I make muffins. It's really good for making muffins, which, you know, it's fall time now. It's October, one of my favorite months of the year. So I am doing a lot of pumpkin themed desserts and just, you know, different recipes. I'm going to be trying like a pumpkin smoothie here in a couple days. So I'll tell you how that turns out later on. And then hopefully I'm going to be doing pumpkin muffins really soon. And this is going to be the tool that I'm going to use because I absolutely love this. Again, it's called a Danish dough whisk. You can see the top of it here. It is a kind of a strange looking thing, but it whips the batter so perfectly, and I think it's because all of these little different shapes just really like mix every bit of it. And then it has a nice long wooden stick, so then you don't get anything on your hands, and it's absolutely incredible. So I'll link this down below. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Again, leave any of your favorite kitchen gadgets in the comment section below. We'd love to hear about them. Let us know what you think of our kitchen gadgets here. Again, all of these will be linked in the Amazon box below. So thank you guys for watching. Leave any questions or comments in the comment section below, and we'll see you guys on the next adventure. Mom, it has some sticky on the bottom of it. Yuck.